Well, if you were as smart as me, you'd be arrogant too.
Fools! Do you truly believe you can stop my grand scheme?
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Doctor Strange, wow.
We're in this together, Tandy Bowen. Get the stars
Asgard
out
has
of
been
your eyes and
invaded
let
yet
us
again.
fight.
Whoa,
But as
all
always,
business.
Loki
The fate of many worlds is at stake. It is a mighty quest.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Is anyone willing to help?
Tandy needs help.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Hurry up!
He's out there.
Wild creatures have risen from the realm below.
No more scripts.
That's better. Anyone say fireworks?
They're behind you. Go, girl. You have no clue how long I've wanted to do that. Where do you think you're going? You gonna turn the favor?
Iron Man, operational again.
Winter Soldier.
Hurry up!
One couldn't win without the other.
Anyone say fireworks?
Turn around. Who's next?
Incoming!
We must and shall save the world tree. One couldn't win without the other.
Out of sight!
I'm back.
This is real firepower!
Hurry up! Look out below!
Shields up!
I don't think that's the welcoming committee. Squirrel Girl. That felt kind of mean. Crisis averted.
Disappear! Get that vehicle moving again!
Hurry up! Bombs away!
Maximum pulse!
Get that vehicle moving again!
Heavy weapons. I'm in luck.
Good medicine.
Everybody ready? Hurry up! Rockets, fire!
Maximum pulse!
Double kill!
Maximum pulse!
I'm gonna
Judge!
find you working out last time.
Executioner!
Hurry up! Anyone say fireworks? Watch out! We found this guardian weapons together. Let's get those goats going.
Invisible?
Tandy needs help.
Rockets, fire!
Unleash the Vishanti power!
Hurry up! Anyone say fireworks?
Only 60 seconds left!
So it's
This is real firepower!
You're halfway there! Perfect! Heck! Down to 30 seconds!
Anyone say fireworks?
Shields up!
Anyone willing to help?
Almost there! Don't turn back now! The final 10 seconds! You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Full power.
Vehicle reached its
Maximum
Keep up.
Charlie! Executioner!
Nobody can stand up against a full
Maximum Pulse!
Nobody can hang with the pulse
Double
cannon.
KO!
You
Maximum Pulse!
I'm back.
Get that vehicle moving again!
Powering up.
Relax, darling.
Psionic turn!
Anyone say fireworks?
Disappear! You're halfway there. Keep going!
Bringing my step.
Not sure how we'll solve this one. Anyone willing to help?
Everybody ready?
Place is tight.
Powering up. Anyone say fireworks?
At least those close sprints are done for.
I got you covered.
That put a spring in my step. Bombs away.
Is this what I've been used to? Escorting goats?
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
I disappeared.
Powering up.
Only 60
Anyone
seconds
say
left.
fireworks?
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Little help, please.
Iron Man operational again. Powering up. Anyone say
Judge!
fireworks?
Jury! Executioner!
That's better.
Maximum Pulse!
Shields up.
Maximum Pulse!
I've got your back.
Look out below.
Don't let anything stand in your way. Loki's killing that tree. Stop him.
This is real firepower!
So close. This is your big chance. Co-op time.
That put a spring in my step.
This is why I chose Reed anymore.
Disappear!
Powering up. Bombs away.
Only 60 seconds left. Get that vehicle moving
Iron
again.
Man operational again.
Keep moving. The gods will not stay patient for long.
Powering up. Rocket fire.
30 seconds.
Maximum pulse.
Armed and dangerous!
Maximum pulse. Pulse cannons energy.
Double
I'm gonna find
KO.
whoever put me out last time. If we don't get a move on, that tree's not gonna make it.
The final 10 seconds.
The moon